Gentlemen of AI culture, on this channel we only care about two things, pretty AI girls and big bank accounts. So let me start your day off right with the AI models of the day. Her Instagram handle is right here across the screen. Now let us get into the financial tip of the day. Did you know that you can make $200 a week filling out surveys? Swagbucks and surveyjunkie are two great websites that can help you make money online by filling out surveys. By signing up for free, you can take surveys and earn points, which you can later redeem for gift cards or cash. I remember when I signed up for these websites, and I had my doubts about whether they were legitimate or not. However, after filling out my first couple of surveys, I was amazed at how easy it was. Soon enough, I had accumulated enough points to redeem them for a $20 gift card that I used to buy something I had been wanting for a while. The process was fast, easy, and efficient. I highly recommend these websites to anyone looking to make some extra cash in their spare time. Do what you want with that information, make sure you like for the algorithm and make sure you subscribe for the AI culture.